Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to export your TradingView watch list. First, navigate to your watch list on the platform. Look for the three dots icon, which typically indicates more options. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you will find the Export List option. This simple process allows you to save your customized watch lists for various uses, ensuring you always have access to your preferred trading instruments. To access the export feature, begin by opening the specific watch list you wish to save. On the right side of your watch list's title, you will see an icon with three horizontal dots. This icon represents the More Options menu. Click on it, and a list of actions will appear. From this list, simply select Export List. Your browser will then automatically download a comma-separated values file containing your watchlist data. The file you download is a comma-separated values, or CSV, file. This standard format is easily opened by spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Inside, you will find a clear list of your watchlist items. Each line typically includes the ticker symbol and its corresponding exchange, providing all essential information in a structured, readable manner. This makes it very convenient for further analysis or sharing. Once exported, your watchlist data becomes incredibly versatile. You can import this CSV file into other trading platforms or analysis software for deeper insights. It is also an excellent way to share your curated lists with friends or colleagues. Furthermore, exporting regularly provides a valuable backup, safeguarding your carefully selected instruments. This ensures you never lose track of your important trading ideas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.